While they join, I think we should be starting because we are about to open in 15 minutes. So what's the status? We are now open. So we are opening 51 points, 55 points up, 51 same here, 179 points up. We'll be looking for the morning trades post 9:20, and let's run the analysis here and let's see if we are getting some kind of trade here, because in morning trades we might find this interesting. So this possible structure is still at the trend. If you see here, we have this trend going down and it's kind of taking out of the structure. But so for this market to come out of the structure, this has to be completed. Now, is it a false wick or it's not? What is this index? Yeah, let me delete everything. It's coming out. What is this? This is complete different structure. Nifty future and Nifty index. Alright, so we have a conflict of the information. We have kind of a different structure here and there. So in that case, we'll take that. Yeah, just wait a second. So we'll take that as this complete pattern. So this is the pattern which we are getting somewhere here. So we might be getting it. So let's see if we get some kind of sell, kind of a structure here, or else we are making a new high. If we are making a new high, if we get a buy setup, we have to wait till 9:20, 9:25. But if we get a sell setup, we can execute right now. So that will be Nifty. Now let's go back to the future. Ritesh is saying holding 31,200 C call option. All right, I'll look at that. Alright, so we have a conflict of the information. We have two different structure on this spot and the future. So we trade the future most of the time. So we'll be paying attention to this structure, not this spot. So we'll wait here. This is 9:17. We still have 3 or 4 minutes to complete the candle. Bank Nifty, you're saying you're holding the call option. If you're holding the call option, this is where you should be paying attention to. Once you tag it, I think you should be coming into the profit booking zone or something like that, because once it tag it, we'll be looking for the trade setup in either of the direction. Where are we getting it? We're getting the reflection of this impulse possibility. So that's something we are getting, and if we are lucky, I think you'll be getting that trade up to this level. Okay, so that will be the first Bank Nifty and Nifty setup for today. Let's go with the stocks, but this is 9:18. So for the stocks, I think we'll give it 2 minutes and then I'll give you the further updates on the stocks. I'm going on mute. If you have any question, you can type. I'm coming back in 3 minutes. Thank you. All trade setups will be intraday here. So Ashok Leyland, leave it as of now. Axis Bank, it's all-time high. We should be getting the reflection of this down particular leg. So I think from here to here, as of now, we don't have Bank Nifty running up to that level. I think you can hold on to it. I think chances are very high you'll tag it. So maybe possibility upside up to this 31,550. More budget rally. बजट रैली आ जाएगा, पहले यहाँ पे आने दो, फिर यहाँ पे आने के बाद हम देखते हैं कि करना क्या, right? Because we're getting a reflection of the impulse, so that's how we would be playing it. So in this case, I think a pullback is expected. Let's see if we can get this pullback somewhere there. But still we are not ready for that. So here we'll be paying attention for the shorting opportunity during the day. BPCL, as of now, they're giving a kind of sell setup. The stop is a little big, so hold on to here. Coal India going kind of up without tagging it, which means it's just a pullback. So sell setup, looking for the sells here. Gale is coming, and this is actually a buying opportunity. Trend is steep here, you can see that. Now we would be paying attention on this trend as well. Also come on, and we also would be paying attention on this buying structure. Momentum is actually losing, so I guess this buying opportunity is not the we take all the time. Hindalco, as of now, we'll take this, and once it tag this, we'll look for the selling opportunities. This is 924. I think we'll have 1 more minutes, then the candle close. India bull housing, nothing. I mean, we're not getting any morning trades, or we will be getting in within 10 minutes because candles are forming, right? This is almost tagged it. Jindal upside. JSW still breaking this structure. Is this the last piece up? Chances are very high that this is the last piece up. So it got tagged. I think we can start looking for the reversals. Oil and gas, 5 minutes. Wait there. Reliance Capital, I don't track it, but for you, every high they make, you will be able to